No long intros. This is how to save your iPhone from its battery always dying. First, you open settings. From settings, you click on general. On general, you scroll down to background app refresh and you click on it. On background app refresh here on the top, you click on it. Now you see off, you see Wi-Fi and cellular. If yours is on anything, make sure that you turn it off right now. Yes, make sure that you turn it off, because what this does is that it drains your battery by using apps on the background. Yes, it keeps refreshing apps on the background and it drains your battery. So no matter whatever you're doing right now, make sure you take this step and turn it off. Another hidden battery drainer is this. You open settings. On settings, you scroll down to privacy and security. Here you see location services. Here you see the list of apps that are using your location, right? Most of the apps that actually give access to your location do not need it. For example, voice memo does not need your location, so you turn it off or never. This is a significant app that actually drains your battery, but many people do not know this. So turn it off for apps that you do not need it for right now. This step is a game changer when it comes to preserving your battery. You open settings. From settings, you click on accessibility. On accessibility, scroll down to display and text size. Here, you scroll down to auto brightness and make sure that your auto brightness is on. Yes. The effect of this is that if your auto brightness is not on and just leave your brightness high, it's going to drain your battery like straw. It's going to shock you that this actually also drains your battery. First off, you open settings. On settings, you click on notifications. Notifications, as you can see, there are a list of apps. Now all these apps sending notification actually drains your battery more than you can expect. So you turn off access to those apps that you do not really need their notifications. Yes, for example, this is for this app. I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to turn it off. This way I no longer allow them to send me notifications. This way I'm preserving my battery. Now, this surprises people a lot, but if your iPhone is in a location where it's struggling to get signal, it's going to stress itself more than not to get signal, and this in turn drains your battery. Another thing that I noticed that actually surprises people is that they don't know that your battery health that directly determines how much your battery is going to last. So if your battery health are drained less than 80, you do not expect your battery to last the full capacity. Now, this is a hidden trick, a bonus trick actually. You turn on low power mode once your battery is getting low. Don't wait till you are warned by Apple that your battery is getting low before you turn it on. For me, I have it on my control center, so I just scroll down here and I see low power mode and I click on it. This way, I have turned on low power mode and I have preserved my battery without it having to get to less than 20. Use these steps and you're going to notice a more effective battery on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.